Industrial development changes the world. Heavy industry plays a critical role in the global economic growth. Welding is the basis of industry. TIENTAI Electrode Company Limited, Taiwan's pride and the expert of applied welding technology. TIENTAI is a member of the prestigious ITW group. ITW is a diversified manufacturing company that delivers specialized expertise, innovative thinking, and value-added products to meet critical customer needs in a variety of industries. Comprehensive ITW welding brand list worldwide. TIENTAI, Miller, Hobart, using the ITW 80-20 management philosophy maximizes profit and value for clients. On the shoulders of ITW, TIENTAI creates top sales channels at global transit hub cities. TIENTAI's customer-oriented strategy combines ITW's powerful tech support, offering thorough and perfect welding products. Owning world-class products and offering technology solutions, TIENTAI fulfills your welding needs. Various automatic product lines include covered electrodes, submerge arc welding fluxes and wires, solid wires, and flux cord wires. We have perfect equipment and R&D researchers. Advanced Welding R&D Engineering Center and Physical Chemistry Lab, offering you cutting-edge welding products. Professional R&D and measurement team. 24 hours strict quality control. TIENTAI products possess high added value and efficiency. TIENTAI uses cutting-edge welding technology to continuously improve products' efficiency by field test. TIENTAI's complete products apply to various industrial areas. TIENTAI devotes itself to developing welding materials and technology essential to industry for providing clients perfect welding services. TIENTAI's products apply to industries of offshore platform, pipe mill and pipeline, pressure vessel, storage tank, steel fabrication and wind tower, shipbuilding, power plant, and petroleum. The outstanding quality of TIENTAI's products has won many international certifications. Powerful sales channels connect clear domestic and foreign sales strategy, offering you intact production and sales services. We desire to create customer successes in metal fabrication around the world. Rooted in Taiwan, viewing the world. Pursue innovative and excellent welding technology. Become a worldwide professional brand. TIENTAI Electrode Company Limited, the expert of applied welding technology.